Hey guys, welcome back to the Wandering Hen channel, and today we're going to replace the gasket on our wood stove door. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove the door from our wood stove. Now, I'm not sure about all models of wood stoves, but I feel like most of them you can just lift the door off and it comes right off, and then you can lay it onto a flat surface so it's easier to work on. So as you can see, this rope really needs to be replaced. There's soot and ash all in here. There's actually some like really darkened spots, and you can just tell that it doesn't have a good seal anymore. And I like to replace this at least once a year. All right, and all I'm gonna do is remove the door from the hinges, just pull up, and it comes right off. All right, so we're just going to remove the old rope. It should be able to pull right out. You might have to use a screwdriver to really get it out, but this one has been in here for a while, so it's really just coming right out. Now you can see that some of the rope has been left behind. Then we're gonna take a screwdriver to remove the rest of it. All right, after the rope is removed, we're gonna come back with a flathead screwdriver and just remove the old cement from the groove. Right, after that, I'm just going to come in with a rag and get the dust out. All right, once everything's cleaned out, it's time to put our stove gasket cement into the groove. Now, before you apply, make sure you knead the tube really well. If not, it is separated and it's going to explode when you try to squeeze it, because it's probably going to be settled to one end or the other, and it's gonna be a mess. Make sure it's all mixed up really well before you start. All right, guys, I'm making a mess. I'm trying to just put a little amount, and there's some air pockets behind a few of the squirts, so make sure you wear old clothes and also have like an old rag on hand or something. Now it's time to put our rope where we want it, and I'm just gonna start there. A lot of people will cut their rope ahead of time. I don't see that it's necessary. You can if you want to. So, all right, and I'm just pressing it down into the crease. Also, you guys, before I started doing this, you kind of need to make sure that you're buying the right size rope, because these ropes do come in different sizes. So, figure out what size rope you need for your wood stove. So that's where it ended, right there. And you can't even really tell. All right, before I put this back on my wood stove, I'm going to allow it to dry for 1 hour. I'm gonna go get my hands cleaned up, and I will be back in a minute. All right, it's been an hour, and I just put the door back on, and now we are going to do the paper seal test. We're gonna put this piece of paper in the stove like this in like a corner and see how easily it is to pull out. If you can't pull it out easily, then you've got a good seal. If it comes right out, you probably need to go the next size up with the gasket rope. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.